Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will show you how to create amazing dynamic waveline in Adobe Illustrator. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Go to the rectangle tool and draw a straight long rectangular bar. And change its color to black. Hold the Alt key and create a copy of it. And change its color to sky blue. Select both and create a copy of it. Press Ctrl+D for duplicate copies. Select all and adjust it on the artboard. Right-click on it and group them. And drag it on the side of the artboard. Select the pen tool and draw curved lines. And follow me. Right-click on it, arrange and then bring to front. Select both, go to the Object menu, Envelope Distort, and make with top object. Now, go to the Direct Selection tool and change the anchor point to get the dynamic result. I have these colors. To change its colors, double-click on it. Go to the Magic Wand tool, select the one color. And change the color with the eyedropper tool. Select the other color and change it. Let's move to another example. Create a long rectangle bar. Create 7 copies of it, and apply the rainbow colors to it. Use pen tool to draw curved lines shape. Select both, then go to the Object menu, Envelope Distort, and make with top object. Play with the anchor points. And it's done. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.